Hello, this is AJ Macdonald with Macdonald Financial Services, and I have Devin Jones here in the office. We're going to talk to you this week about the economy, markets, and some politics. So this week has actually been a pretty darn good week for the stock market. We started off poorly. Trump was doing something. What was he doing over Easter weekend, Devin?
It's hard to tell what he was doing over Easter weekend, honestly. But we had some news again. We kind of said it last week with the Fed, where there's kind of a little bit of a battle going on between the two of them. But he came in on Monday and somewhat kind of had some disparaging words against Jerome Powell, and so we had that obviously that we dealt with early on in the week.
Did he call him a major loser?
He did call him a major loser. Yes. Not words the market certainly was looking for out of him.
No. So we didn't. It's really the independence of the Fed that we've had since its inception that investors were concerned about. Later in the week, or I guess Tuesday, really. He came out and said, well, he's not planning on getting rid of Jeremy Powell, whose term ends next May. So the market was very, very happy about that and had a really nice run later in the week. So, however, we got other bad news on Monday as far as Pope Francis died. So I'm sure everybody is aware of that. Pretty big deal right after Easter. So that was pretty sad. He's sitting in state right now. And then we'll be waiting to see who the new pope is. So that, I think
news
that's
to come.
News to come, that's right. I think they have 20 days, I believe. And we'll be looking for the white smoke, indicating they've got a new pope. So what else happened this week?
Well, we've seen some economic news. I mean, we did see that the housing market is slowing. Obviously, we did get that news yesterday, and so we'll keep an eye on that. Certainly, with the rates staying elevated where they're at, it's continuing to show some damage there. I think honestly, the market is yet fatigue over the headline fatigue is what I've been telling clients. We're kind of over all the news that is coming down, and so hopefully in the weeks to come, we see some of it settle down a little bit.
Yeah, and that's exactly right. During Trump's first term, similar, a lot of headlines, a lot of volatility, a lot of chaos, and it lasted, I think, almost 6 months. And then similar, the market got that fatigue of, oh my gosh, what new crisis has been started. So we're expecting that to kind of die down. We did get Tesla's earnings this week. I believe they were down 71%.
They were not what we were looking for. I mean,
no,
but they popped. They definitely they were up over the next couple of trading days.
That's right. So the good news, I guess, we do. Well, anyway, we had Elon Musk said he's going to kind of back away from Doge and the government slashing of waste. Which really helped the stock price for Tesla.
Right. Middle of the week, we did see some major CEOs visit the White House. We saw Home Depot, Target, Walmart, some CEOs there. We're trying to get in Trump's ear and kind of show the signs that, hey, the tariff situation is pretty serious and it's going to start to erode at their businesses. So hopefully he's listening. It sounds like he was listening and taking it very seriously.
So still getting some earnings from the first quarter. As I said, we had Tesla, and there's others to come. Things are looking pretty good for the first quarter. Of course, the announcement of the tariffs didn't happen until March. But everybody's warning about tariffs for future earnings.
Guidance.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to keep an eye on things. Not making any big changes and going to stay the course. If you have any questions, please give us a call. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook or any of our other social media, we'd appreciate that. And if you have any questions, give us a call again. And thanks for watching.